Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Acorns and their transfer fees. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering why this is even a question. After all, Acorns is a popular investing app that's designed to be simple and easy to use. So, why would they charge you to transfer your money out? Well, the answer is not as simple as you might think. In fact, there are a few different factors that come into play when it comes to Acorns transfer fees. So, let's dive into the details and see how much it really costs to transfer money from Acorns. First, let's talk about the different types of transfers that you can make with Acorns. There are two main types of transfers that you can make with Acorns. Withdrawals. Withdrawals are when you transfer money from your Acorns account to your bank account. Transfers to another brokerage. Transfers to another brokerage are when you transfer your Acorns account to another brokerage firm. Now, let's talk about the fees associated with each type of transfer. Withdrawals. There are no fees associated with withdrawing money from your Acorns account. Transfers to another brokerage. The fees for transferring your Acorns account to another brokerage firm vary depending on the number of ETFs in your portfolio. Each ETF will cost you $35 to transfer. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're planning on withdrawing money from your Acorns account, there's no need to worry about any fees. However, if you're planning on transferring your Acorns account to another brokerage firm, you'll need to be aware of the potential fees involved. Here are a few things to keep in mind. The number of ETFs in your portfolio will determine the total cost of your transfer. You can find out the number of ETFs in your portfolio by logging into your Acorns account and going to the Portfolio tab. If you're not sure how many ETFs you have in your portfolio, you can always contact Acorns customer support for help. In addition to the transfer fees, there are also a few other things to consider when transferring your Acorns account to another brokerage firm. It can take some time to transfer your account, so be sure to allow plenty of time for the process. You may need to provide some additional information to the new brokerage firm, such as your social security number and date of birth. You may also need to close your Acorns account before transferring your money to another brokerage firm. So, is it worth it to transfer your Acorns account to another brokerage firm? That depends on your individual circumstances. If you're happy with Acorns and you don't plan on transferring your money to another brokerage firm anytime soon, then there's no need to worry about the transfer fees. However, if you're looking for a different investment platform or if you want to consolidate your investments, then it may be worth considering transferring your Acorns account to another brokerage firm. Acorns charges fees for transferring your account to another brokerage firm, but not for withdrawing money. The fees for transferring your account vary depending on the number of ETFs in your portfolio. If you're considering transferring your Acorns account to another brokerage firm, be sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully and make sure that it's the right decision for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.